How to send a photo in a TikTok message. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to send a photo in a TikTok message. Sending photos in TikTok messages is really easy and fun. You can share pictures with your friends or favorite creators directly in the chat. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in and have a stable internet connection. Then, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen. This will open all your messages and notifications. Next, scroll through your chats and tap on the conversation where you want to send a photo. Here, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the image icon. This will open your phone's gallery so you can choose a photo. Now, select the photo you want to send. You can even select multiple photos if you like. After selecting, tap on Send. You will just like that. Your photo is sent. You will see it appear in the chat, and your friend can view it instantly. You can use this method anytime to quickly share photos in TikTok messages. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.